All right, welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're unpacking a simple 7-day calorie deficit meal plan that actually works. We're talking no overly complicated recipes or endless lists of forbidden items, just a really straightforward approach to daily nutrition that cuts straight through the noise. If you love learning efficiently and want to understand exactly how to structure your eating for real results, you are in the perfect place. Let's get right to it. Section 1, the 5-pound promise. And it all starts with a question so many of us ask ourselves. Want to lose 5 pounds this week without starving yourself? Seriously, think about it. Usually, when we hear the words calorie deficit, our brains immediately hit the panic button and translate that to feeling miserable, weak, and just constantly hungry. But the goal of this blueprint isn't just weight loss. It's weight loss achieved through strategic satiety. We're going to break down exactly how you hit that target by actually eating substantial, enjoyable food. Section 2. Swap your breakfast. Let's look at the very first decision you make in your morning routine. For breakfast, swap out your sugary cereal for 3 scrambled eggs and half an avocado. I promise you, it keeps you full for hours. Look, those sugary cereals, they're just going to spike your blood sugar and leave you crashing and totally ravenous by 10 a.m. Trading those empty, fast-burning carbohydrates for high-quality protein and healthy fats is literally the absolute foundation of this plan. It's a really simple, highly effective swap that completely changes the trajectory of your energy levels for the rest of the day.
Section 3, high protein, low calorie. Moving into the afternoon, we gotta maintain that energy without feeling restricted.
For lunch, go for a massive grilled chicken salad with a light olive oil dressing. We're talking high protein, low calorie. When you're in a calorie deficit, volume is absolutely your best friend. You do not have to eat tiny, sad little portions. No way. You can have a giant, visually satisfying meal. That olive oil dressing keeps the hidden calories super low while still providing great flavor. This combo proves that eating smart can still be immensely satisfying and delicious, giving you the sheer volume of the greens right along the sustained energy from the chicken. Section 4, simple and satisfying dinner. Now let's focus on exactly how to close out your day optimally. And for dinner, 6 ounces of baked salmon with a side of roasted broccoli. It is a remarkably precise and straightforward end-of-day meal. You don't have to guess or overthink it when you're tired. 6 ounces of a high-quality, nutrient-dense fish like salmon gives your body the exact protein it needs to recover. Meanwhile, the roasted broccoli provides that essential fiber to keep you full and satisfied throughout the night. It's just a perfectly calibrated end to your eating window. Section 5. Start eating smart. This brings us to the core philosophy that ties this entire 7-day blueprint together. Stop skipping meals and start eating smart. For years, diet culture has basically taught us that eating less often is the magic key, but you know as well as I do that almost always leads to intense cravings and eventual overeating. This blueprint clearly establishes that strategic combinations of proteins, healthy fats, and high-volume greens are the true sustainable path to weight loss. You aren't skipping anything on this plan. You are actively fueling your body 3 times a day. This explainer has laid out the exact framework for you. And having the plan right in your hand makes executing it totally effortless. So comment ready if you want the full grocery list and subscribe for daily fat loss tips. Are you going to continue the frustrating cycle of restriction, or are you ready to finally stop starving and start transforming your habits this week? If you are, drop that comment, hit subscribe, and let's get to work.